Are you facing power issues with your iMac? Introducing the Nockchawon 300W PA-1311-2A power supply board replacement, designed to breathe new life into your iMac 27-inch A1419, late 2012 mid-2017, or A2115, early 2019 to 2020. With its compatibility spanning across these models, this power supply board ensures a seamless fit and reliable performance. Don't let power failures, black screens, or random shutdowns hold your iMac back. The Nockchawon 300W PA-1311-2A is here to save the day. Boasting an output wattage of 300 watts, this replacement board is engineered to deliver consistent power, effectively addressing common defects associated with faulty power supplies. Identified by various numbers including APN 6617170, 6617886, 661103524, 661 to 12714 and ppn, ADP 300 AFT, PA-1311-2A, this power supply board ensures compatibility and reliability. Plus, with a hassle-free return policy allowing returns within 30 days of receipt, you can purchase with confidence. However, a word of caution, installation may not be suitable for those lacking technical skills in disassembling or assembling laptops. This job requires precision and expertise to ensure a successful replacement. But if you're up for the challenge, this power supply board could be the solution you've been searching for. Upgrade your iMac's power system with the Nockchawon 300W PA-1311-2A power supply board replacement, and bid farewell to power-related woes. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.